Hey, so in today's video I thought I would share a taxi ride here in Dilly, Timor Leste to give you a bit of a glimpse of day-to-day activities in the country and also just to show what it's like to cruise around Dilly in a taxi. Now, I must give my apologies that I'm using my very basic Tetun in this taxi ride, so yeah, apologies for that, but I'm trying to improve slowly but surely and I figure I'm going to use it to improve it.
Tadi mau apa aimutin hira? Kana tolu? Tiak. Mandek. Tiak. Aimutin.
So you've got a couple of different taxi options here in Dilly. You've got the yellow taxis, which I'm in now, and there's heaps and heaps of those cruising around Dilly, and you simply just wave them down. They pretty much operate daylight hours, so around 7 AM to 7 PM, and then they'll stop. I highly recommend negotiating the fee before you get into the cab, and I find that most taxi rides around Dilly will cost you between $2 and $4. However, if you're coming from the airport, there's a set fee of $10. And then you've got the blue taxis. Now there's much fewer of these, but they do operate outside of daylight hours. So if you've got an early morning pickup or a late night pickup, these are the ones to call. And you can call these. So if you get hold of their number, you can give them a call and they'll come and pick you up at a set time. And they also have meters in the taxi, so you don't need to pre-negotiate the cost.
Mama Tana in English? It one?
Yeah, but
Same.
Now I have found that if you're not going to a really obvious destination or landmark here in Dilly, that it really helps to know roughly where you're going. And I often use Google Maps on my phone and will bring up the map and help the taxi driver with directions as we go.
Same.
Obrigado, ma'am. Parane. Obrigado. Até logo. As always, thanks heaps for watching, I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this type of insight to Dilly Timor Leste video, hit the like button now to let me know, and I'll make more and more of these types of videos. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified of any future videos I put out.